Check out these famous Beagles in movies and TV. First on the list has gotta be Snoopy. Okay, he's a cartoon, but come on, this iconic Beagle from the Peanuts comic strip has been in tons of TV specials and even some movies. Next is Porthos from Star Trek Enterprise. Yep, Captain Archer had a Beagle as his trusty sidekick aboard the starship. And let me tell ya, Porthos was not just any Beagle. He got to eat cheese and even had his own little pet bed on the spaceship. And don't forget about Shiloh. Remember the heartwarming movie about a boy and his Beagle? Shiloh was not just cute, he was a showstopper that pulled on everyone's heartstrings.